Welcome to my Nigerian food cooking channel. Today I share with you how to make Nigerian chicken wings. I'll also be sharing with you how to season your chicken the Nigerian style. Yes, so make sure you watch this video to the end, okay? So the first thing I will do is to add my onions, peppers, and tomatoes into my blender and I'll blend. Next thing to do after blending is to start cooking. I just poured my chicken wings into a pot. I'd add my sliced onions. I'd also be adding some bay leaves. Yes, very necessary. Curry powder. I'd add my thyme. There's one ingredient that you must add, and that is salt. So I'll add my salt. Next, I'll add nutmeg. I'll break in my seasoning cube. I'd add a little bit of water, and then I'll mix this up very, very well after adding my water. I'll mix this very well, and then I'll allow it to cook for 15 minutes on high heat. I like my chicken well cooked. Yes, so I allow this to cook for 15 minutes on high heat. After 15 minutes, this is what it looks like. You can see the chicken stock. Hey, this is lovely. You can use this to cook jollof rice and it will be so tasty. Yes, I'll take this off the cooker and start frying. I'll pour my vegetable oil into my frying pan. I'll allow it heat up very well and then I'll start adding my chicken. So let me say this. This is a Nigerian chicken recipe. I have so many Nigerian food cooking videos on this channel for you. And that is the reason why you should subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell button so that you'll be notified anytime I post my Nigerian food videos and how to prepare them. Right here, I'm simply turning my chicken. I fried that first part for about 10 minutes and now I'm turning it and now my chicken is well fried. You can see the color it has. It's not like too dry, yes, but it's nicely fried. So I'll take this off and then start cooking again. The oil I used to fry the chicken is what I'll be using for the sauce. I'll add a little bit of it into my pot. You see this part, I don't really like it when the oil starts splashing up. Hey, God, have mercy on my soul. I'll add some sliced onions. I'm going to fry these onions for about 1 minute while stirring it. So after 1 minute, I'll add my blended pepper mix, which I made earlier before I started cooking the chicken. I'll add my salt, then thyme, a little bit of white pepper. Yes, a little bit of curry powder as well, and seasoning cube. I'm going to mix this up very, very well, and then I'll cover it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes on high heat. Now, as I was saying, if you love cooking and eating Nigerian foods, yes, this channel is where you should be because I have so many Nigerian food recipes that you will like. Remember, this is a Nigerian food recipes channel. Now, this is after 15 minutes, and this is what my sauce looks like. I'm going to mix it very well, like you see me doing, and then I'll add my fried chicken. Yee! Already, you can eat this fried chicken and just love it because it is very, very tasty. Yes, very tasty. After mixing all of this up very well, I'm going to be adding my chicken stock. Yes, you see that chicken stock you saw when I finished boiling the chicken. Don't ever throw it away. Save it because you will need it to make your food tasty. I'd add about 2 spoonful into my sauce. I'd mix it very well. And then I would cover this pot right now and allow all of this to simmer on medium heat for 10 minutes so that the taste of the salt can, you know, enter the chicken very, very well and give me tasty chicken wings. This is what my chicken wings looks like now. Yes, and this is looking nice. In fact, you can eat rice with that sauce and it's going to go very well. You can enjoy it with boiled and with potatoes. Anyway, I'm going to be adding some onions. If you don't like seeing too much onions in your food, you can avoid this part. No, I love colored peppers, so I'm going to be adding my colored peppers as well. At this point, you already know the sauce is already delicious and properly cooked. My chicken is already looking yummy and inviting me to have a taste. So I'm just going to cover this and allow it simmer for about 2 minutes. Remember, on medium heat. As you can see, this video is really fast. It's straight to the point because making chicken wings the Nigerian style is very easy and nice. You need to taste this and make sure you try this at home because I'm quite sure that you will. like it. Yes. So my Nigerian chicken wings is ready. Tell me what you think about this video on how to make Nigerian chicken wings. Was it so hard? Is it something you would like to try at home? I would love to read from you. And don't forget to like this video, leave your comment, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very, very much. Yes, till I post my next video, like I would always say, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for taking your time to watch my videos. I mean, I appreciate you. I appreciate your time. So till I post my next video, don't forget, good food should be enjoyed always. Okay, I know you would say, oh yes, that's a saying of a foodie. Well, I'm proudly a foodie. Bye.